Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Wealth Universal. If you are new in this channel, subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon. Friends, today we will discuss about the important topic of technical analysis, support and resistance. This is a third class of stock market course, and support and resistance is a very essential if you are going to make a career in stock market, or if you want to do trading or investing in stock market, then you will very well know about the support and resistance. Without support and resistance, you are not able to make a money or become a successful trader or investor. So we will discuss further how support and resistance work and what happened in the stock movement during the support and resistance. Firstly, what is a support? When any stock comes from the downtrend and it take bounce back from any point of time, this point is known as a support. It is a support of any particular stock. In the next concept is resistance. Then what is a resistance? When any stock in the uptrend, continuously uptrend, and one of the point where stock not move up and start falling down, then this point is known as a resistance. Stock facing resistance here, and then there is a downtrend and stock moving up, then it's known as a support. And today we will discuss about this concept, support and resistance. And if you will learn it very well, then you will make a profit from stock market. You can buy on the support and sell on the resistance. So this is a one stock chart. You can see this stock is in uptrend, and this is a support line, and you can see how many times. It's more than 4-5 times this stock move up, came down, and also touch the support and also bounce, and again up, down, and again up, again down, again up, again down, and again bounce from this support line and big move, and again come back and again big move from the support line. So support is drawn in many way. You can draw in the horizontal way, you can draw in the trend line, this type. So it's depend on the stock structure, which type of a stock structure form in particular stock. We can draw the support and resistance according to that. So you should know about how to draw it and how it work. In this stock you can also see this is a support line and this is a resistance line. Stock face many time resistance. You can see first time, second time, third time, and fourth time stock face resistance from there. Then you can buy at the support and sell at the resistance. And this is another chart. You can see this is a support line. Stock move up, come back, and also move, and this is a resistance line. Stock not crossing this line. When stock reach there, it face resistance, and then stock reach there, it take a support. What happened then? Stock reach at the support level when the maximum demand of this stock and maximum buyer are available to buy this stock, and when stock reach at the resistance level, then maximum seller and maximum people want to book their profit. Why this happened? Because history repeats itself, and those who are a successful trader, those who know very well, because these are the level when something previously had happened, so they book profit there and exit, and stock fall down again. This is another chart. You can see how support and resistance work, and you can see there is another thing. This stock facing resistance there, and once stock break this resistance become a support. So this is also known as a role changing theory, and support how act as a resistance and how resistance act as a support, vice versa. You can see when this stock move and again facing a resistance at this line, and again bounce back, again break this resistance, and then stock move up, and again come back and take a support of this line. Earlier this line is a resistance, here this line become a support, here this is a resistance, and this is a resistance till that level. Here it break and this line become a support, and this line is a resistance, and here it break and it become a support. So how support become resistance becomes support, you can know about this. This is another chart. We can see there is a downtrend, stock downtrend, and again there is a stock facing resistance, again downtrend. This is breakout. You can see there is a huge volume, very big bullish candle, and stock move up, and this point stock again face resistance, not sustain here, consolidate and again fall down, and again come back and again facing resistance and again fall down. How support and resistance work in the chart? Here there is another chart. You can see support, stock move up, come back and again move up, again come down, and not this is a break in support, and this stock break the support at that level. You can see stock not sustain at this support level and it break down, and more downfall in this stock is happen. When any stock break this support, the more downfall is possible in that type of situations. So we will discuss in the charts. Let's see, we will see live chart of any stocks, and we will learn how support and resistance work. Friends, we will take the Housing Development Finance HDFC stock chart, and we will see how stock support and resistance work. So firstly, points come how we can draw the support and resistance. I am using the TradingView platform. So I will take the horizontal line and I will draw this horizontal line at the top of that point, because stock facing resistance at that level. And I will take another horizontal line and I will draw the support line, because I find stock taking support at that level at many time. So we will see how these support and resistance line work. I will draw here, we will standing on 2020 here. This is a 2020, and we will see these supports and resistance how work in the earlier period. Let's see. We will scroll the chart from 2009, 10, 8 level. You can see this is the chart of HDFC. Here you can see in 2006 it break this resistance, and this resistance line earlier this is a resistance, and now it break here, and this resistance line become a support, and stock moving up. You can see, and stock facing resistance here, and again stock come back and taking a support of that line in 2009 also, and again you can see stock not able to break the resistance, and here stock break the resistance, and this resistance line become a support further. You can see this line, stock not able to break this line, this become a support line, and you can see here also test this support line but not break, and stock moving up, and you can see we reached at 2015, and we can see in 2015 here it tried to break but not able to break, and here finally it break this resistance line, and this is a earlier support line, and this is a resistance line. Now this resistance line become a support. So this is a concept to understand. We can see the chart from 2006 and how it work. And now this line become a resistance, and this resistance line become a support. Now we can see further chart. This you can see here, it break a little bit support but not go more down and sustain here, and again come back, and again facing their resistance, and again back, and again take a support, and again bounce back. And you can see in the finally 2017 it break this resistance line at that point with gap up opening. You can see there is a gap up opening, and it break this resistance with, and this is a strong resistance of 1403 level. You can see it is also tested during the 2020 crash. It's not touch around 1400, but it is around 1480. This is try, but it's bounce back. So you can see how support and resistance work. You can see further in 2018 it's crossed that resistance line, and this become a resistance, and this line become a support. And you can see in September 2009 how beautifully it take a support of this resistance line. Resistance line is 1640, and again bounce back, and the next resistance level is 1969. And you can see it is try to 1 2 3 4 5 time to cross that resistance, but not able to cross. And finally you can see in May 2019 it cross this resistance, and stock move up, again come back, and this resistance become a support, and again bounce back, and stock reach at the level of, you can see the level of 2464, and stock again come back. And this is a time of March fall of 2020 during the corona hours. And you can see this is a fall, and I told you earlier we will see how it work. This is a resistance line of, and resistance and all time high of 2464, and see what happened here. You can see there is a huge fall. Stock price is 2464, and stock reach during the corona fall at 1400 level. This is a 4054, around 1480 or 1450, you can see, and take a support here, and again stock bounce back. So then you can see how stock support and resistance work. And again this 16 stock move up, and again down, and again this old resistance. You can see from how many years we can see the 1640, there is a one resistance and act also as a support. It also take a support, and again move up, consolidate at next support 1969, and again move, break it, and move up. And you can see again stock take a little movement here at the oldest high, and break it, and make a new high of 2800 and 2900, and stock again downfall. And during this current time stock is consolidating in the old resistance, or now it become a support 2460, and maybe stock again within a few days bounce back here, and again touch the level of 2900 and 3000. So this is how support and resistance work in the chart. So you can draw it. There is also horizontal line. You can draw your support and resistance in horizontally, and also in the vertical lines. So friends, hope you will understand the supports and resistance, how support and resistance act, and how stock price act during the it reach at the support and resistance. With the help of trend line, you can draw support and resistance in like that way, and in the horizontal line you can draw like that way. So it's depend on how the particular stock price and movement, and how what type of a structure form in that stock. If you have any question or query, you can write in comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.